Okay, so let's say you want to copy these two layers, but you don't want to copy the styles. So you don't want this to be bold and this to be, I don't know, a different font size. Yeah, font size than the first layer. So what you do is you right click, copy, and then you right click and paste without formatting. So Control Shift V. The problem is you need to install this extension. So if you use the shortcut, it will work without installing the extension. So uh, Control Shift V. Okay, Control or Command if you use a Mac. But as you can see, it pastes just the text with no formatting. So like I said, if you don't wanna use shortcuts, right? You want to use these buttons or just right click and paste. Uh, Google Presentation makes you install this extension. You can install it. It's pretty easy. Just click add to Chrome. But if you don't want to do any of that, like I said, uh, just hit Control Shift. So just Control C and Control Shift V, and as you can see, you can copy just text with no styling.